I'm Patrick Steinfeld for The Truck Lawyers. We are commercial truck accident attorneys representing truck accident victims and their families. We represent families throughout the country as well as locally in Moraine and Englewood, Ohio. Truck accidents are often catastrophic and life-changing, and for that reason require a lawyer who has special knowledge of the trucking industry. If you or a loved one have been involved in a truck collision, here are 3 things to consider. First, we can deploy a rapid response team to the scene of a crash within hours of your initial call, taking 3D measurements of the site, downloading the tractor-trailer's computer data, and inspecting all vehicles involved. Second, commercial trucks are subject to laws that don't apply to passenger vehicles. We know those laws, as well as safety practices within the trucking industry. Third, semi-trucks are different than cars, so it's not surprising that truck accidents are different than car accidents. We know commercial trucks. My dad was a long-haul semi-truck driver. My uncle drove tractor-trailers and I drove semis, so I have personal experience driving big rigs and inside knowledge of how the trucking industry works. So in accidents involving commercial trucks of any size, the truck lawyers have more to offer you than a general personal injury car accident attorney. But time is of the essence. You pay nothing until we win, so it costs nothing to get started. Please call us toll free at area code 844-800-8900. The phone call and consultation are free. We are America's trucking lawyers. We believe in you, we care about you, and we are here for you. Call us today.